How to make money on Whop app. Now, if you're trying to figure out how to make money online in a scalable, creative, and tech savvy way, then Whop might be exactly what you're looking for. In this video, I'm going to be diving deep into Whop and what it is and how it actually works. And most importantly, how you can use it to build a profitable income stream. Now, whether you're an entrepreneur, a digital product creator, or someone just exploring new platforms, by the end of this video, you will walk away with clarity. Now let's start with the basics. And obviously, before getting into the basics, any resource that you find in this video will be provided in the link in the description below. So do make sure to check that out for yourself. So once you've gone through that, Whop is an online marketplace. It's built specifically for digital products and communities. Unlike generic e commerce platforms, Whop is tailored to help creators and businesses sell memberships, subscriptions, digital downloads, courses, bots, tools, and access to private Discord. Now, what makes it stand out is the seamless integration with popular communication tools and the inbuilt infrastructure that takes care of your payments. It's basically the Shopify or Gumroad of creator economy, but with even more built-in support. So the first step would obviously be to go ahead and create your account. And again, if you want to go ahead and create your account right away, the resources and everything that you need will be provided in the link in the description below. So do check that out. Now, I'm going to be using my Gmail to sign up, but you can pretty much use any account that you have. You can use your email, Facebook, Gmail, whatever you want. It's all doable in WAP. Now, once you have gone through with that, it's going to ask you to verify your email. It's going to send you a code directly into your Gmail inbox. So just make sure to go ahead and verify that real quick for yourself. And once we've done that, obviously WAP is going to take us straight away to its main workings. Okay. And its main workings are going to be its general dashboard. And you're going to be seeing that the use of WAP is extremely user friendly. Okay. You don't really have a big learning curve. And obviously, I'm going to be explaining each and everything to you on how you're going to want to do this. Okay, so it's going to ask you to pick your username. I'm going to stay away with this and click on next. It's going to ask you your date of birth. So let's go ahead and quickly add that for ourselves. Now, once you've done that, it's going to ask you to choose your profile picture. So it says upload your own or choose from one of our default avatars. So I'm going to choose this one and click on save. Now it's going to ask you create your first WAP. Now I'm going to go with not interested for now because I want to explain everything to you. So obviously, the first step to making money on WAP is deciding what kind of product or service you actually want to offer. Now, the platform supports a wide range of offerings. Okay, you can find them at Discover and come here and see all these different things. But successful sellers tend to focus on a few key categories. One of the most popular ways to monetize is by selling access to private communities. So if you run a Discord server that provides premium content, whether that's NFT alpha calls, trading signals, sneaker reselling tips, AI tools, or even exclusive coaching, you can lock that content behind a paywall and manage everything using WAP. Now, setting this up does require a well thought out value proposition. You need to be very clear about what your group offers and why someone would want to pay for access. So, for example, a sneaker cook group might offer early links, restock alerts, release calendars, and bot rentals. So, if you're an expert in any niche, whether that's finance, investing, crypto, this can be a gold mine. So, to start it off for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to click on create a WAP. Now, once we click on create a WAP, you're going to click on create your WAP again. And here it's going to say, let's build your WAP. So you're going to first of all name your WAP. Okay, what's your social business name? Now, don't worry, you can change this name later. So for now, I'm going to call this Discord NFT. Okay, let's call it that. Now, once we do that, we're going to click on continue. And here's going to be our WAP link. So once you've done that, it says we are building your WAP right now. It's going to take a few seconds. So once your WAP has been created, what you're going to do is you're going to start installing these different apps for yourself. Okay. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to install your first app for your WAP. Now it depends on what your WAP actually provides. Okay. So it could be live streaming, it could be chat, it could be courses, whatever you want. So let's say I want to add a chat for my users to talk to each other, then you can go over to add app again and you can add even more things. So obviously Discord is an important thing to add. And obviously once you've added these things, what's going to happen is you're going to have to connect accounts, okay? Now, obviously, in my case, I'm using Discord. Okay, in my case, I'm using these different phenomenon integrations. So I'm gonna have to, authorize it, connect it. But obviously, in your case, if you're using just some course or digital download, then you won't have to do this. But just to give you an example, if you really want to get into the specifics, this is how you're gonna do it. So once we've connected Discord, it's gonna give us this. I'm gonna claim access to the Discord. And once you have claimed access, you're going to come right over to the dashboard. So you claim your WAP link, add your first app, and you set your pricing. Okay. So currently the pricing is totally free, but obviously we want to make money off of it. So I'm going to keep a $10 pricing and let's keep it recurring. Okay. And once we have done that, we're going to click on create. Now, once you click on create here, you can see we have this. So I'm going to archive the free version of it and we have this paid version right here. Now, once you have done that, WAP also allows you to sell digital products and tools. Let's say you've built a Notion template, a trading bot, or a course on ChatGPT prompts, you can pretty much sell those AI tools as well. WAP lets you package those into a product and sell them with recurring billing or one-time payment options. What's great is that you don't need a separate platform to host all your files or manage your customers. WAP is going to give you everything that you need under one roof. Now, once you've chosen what you want to sell, the next step is to create a seller account. So, as you can see, we've signed up on WAP, come into the dashboard, and this is where all the magic basically happens. So, once all of this is done, you're going to set up your WAP payments. Okay, this is where you're going to actually get the payments out to yourself. Okay, and this is a very main crucial step. This is a step that you actually really need to add because without this, you won't be able to initiate any payments and no payments are going to come forward to you. So once you have done that and set it up, your payments, what you're going to want to do from there on out is you're basically going to come here to Stripe. Now, if you have a Stripe account, simply add that Stripe account for yourself and set up your payments accordingly. Now, after all of that is done, this is where we're going to start getting into the design schemes. So, firstly, we're going to go over to design your store. Now, to obviously make sure that people actually pay for your course, you're going to want to make sure that what you're actually showing them or providing them is aesthetically pleasing. Because obviously, in now's world, no one will click on your product if it's not aesthetically pleasing. So, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you have a good, nice looking banner. Okay. So, let's say I want to add a decent banner and I'm going to keep it something like this. Okay. So I'm going to keep that. Click on save. So that's going to be my banner. Now, once you have added a banner, it's going to look something like this. Now we come down here where we're going to add the details. So Discord NFT, highlight the WAP's main benefit or appeal, describe how your WAP will help customers achieve their outcome. And here it says nobody has joined your WAP yet. So you invite people. This is what they're going to get from your WAP and a whole lot more. So this is going to be your design page. And obviously, I would say go ahead and edit it as much as you can, make it look as good as you can. Add title headlines, add your logo, choose different categories, etc. Now, these are things, again, that you're going to want to do for yourself. Okay. These are things that will depend on you. Then once all of that is done, you're going to come back to your dashboard and on the left-hand side, you can see you have all these different types of things. So firstly, you're going to go to your WAPs. And once you go to your WAPs, you're going to make sure to check your analytics over here. So you can see your active users, your all-time revenue, and even your price. Now, if your product does require gated access like a private Discord, WAP provides easy integrations as you can clearly see. You can connect your Discord server directly, assign roles to new buyers automatically, and remove access if they cancel. This automation is absolutely essential to running a subscription model smoothly without having to manually check or update your access. Now, one thing that does separate successful WAP sellers from the rest is how they structure their pricing. You have the flexibility to set up one time payments. Then you can also move over to recurring payments and a whole lot more. Okay, this obviously depends on how you choose your payments. Now, as you can see, I have just chose a recurring payment for myself, but you can go ahead and create more pricing options like recurring, one time, and even go into advanced per stock. And you can go ahead and choose different payment methods as well, like card, ACH, PayPal, or even crypto. So these are obviously things that you're going to want to keep a mind off on. Now, if you're running a community, consider offering multiple tiers with different levels of access for payment. So, for example, a basic tier might include community access and weekly updates, while a premium tier could offer one on one sessions, exclusive guides, and high value resources. So, if you're selling a digital product, think about branding. Combine multiple related items into one package to increase perceived value. So once we have gone through with all of that, let's actually talk about driving traffic. Okay, let's talk about how you're going to get users to actually come up to your WAP and purchase it. So, WAP has its own built in marketplace, which means your product is searchable by all WAP users. They just go into Discover and they can find it here. But how will you make it appear over here? Don't rely on organic discovery. Okay, that doesn't work. The key to making real money is bringing your own audience. So, social media is going to be your best friend, like Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Reddit. These are all powerful platforms to drive traffic. Create content that shows off your product, provides value to your niche, and subtly leads viewers to your WAP link. And working with your WAP link, again, it's pretty simple. You can create checkout links right over here for your WAP. So let's say we have this checkout link. You copy this link, you go over to Canva or any Photoshop, Illustrator, and you create a proper advertisement over there. You create a proper banner showing where your product is and obviously making it aesthetically pleasing. That's the biggest factor of it. So, for example, if you're selling a productivity dashboard, you could post reels or threads showing time saving hacks using your template, and then obviously link it to your WAP page in the caption or bio. And if you already have an audience or email list, use it. Create a compelling launch sequence, offer early bird discounts, and collect testimonials to build trust. Even if you don't have an audience yet, do not worry. You can collaborate with affiliates. WAP allows you to create an affiliate program where influencers or content creators can promote your product and earn a commission. This is basically a win win situation and it helps you scale without paying upfront ads. Also, speaking of ads, WAP also supports Facebook Pixel and other tracking tools. And obviously, you can go ahead and get all of that through marketing. Okay. And in marketing, you can find we have tracking links, leads, promo codes, affiliates, automated messages, and a whole lot more. So, firstly, we have tracking links. Now, tracking link is to monitor which conversion works best for you. So, let's say I'm going to create this tracking link over here. So, I'm going to add that and click on create. So just add any tracking link for yourself. Here's our tracking link. And you can obviously send this out for the WAP that you actually have. So this is our WAP right here, Discord NFT, $10 a month. And here's our tracking link that we can use it to track. Then we move over to leads. Now, leads is a great thing to have for yourself, but obviously to get them, to get information, do make sure to get something like a pop-up promotion. Now, a pop-up promotion is when they come over to your WAP and they go over to your Discord, you get a proper pop-up promotion where you can ask them to add in their email or, ask them to add in any information regarding the WAP that they like, they don't like, etc. Now, not only does this give you good feedback, but it also provides you with proper leads that you can work along with. Customer support is another factor that can make you and break your success. WAP offers in-app support tools and email integrations that you can find all when you're working with your applications. Okay. So you can simply go over to add app and find all these different types of applications over here. And you don't, certainly need to use just these apps that they give you. You can search your own apps as well. So we have content rewards. We can also go with content, forums, files, WAP wheel, where you can let your users spin the wheel and win prizes, which is pretty cool. It's a fun little game that you can add for yourself. And obviously, to get customer support, you can simply go over to community. And once you go to community, you can use something like support tickets or even go with forums and do customer support over there. It's pretty cool and it's pretty fun stuff to get your subscription model up and running. Now, as you start making consistent sales, think about how you turn your product into a brand. Add testimonials for that product. Create a proper landing page. Go ahead and give your product a clean design and visual. Keep your messaging consistent across platforms. This creates a professional image and increases your credibility. Now, if you ever had a ceiling with your product, consider expanding where you can launch multiple products under one seller account, each with different pricing and audiences. Many top earners on Whop run several Whops. Okay, you can go over to your Whops, and as you can see, you can create new Whops as you go on. And obviously, creating several Whops leads to more money. Now, many top earners can, go ahead and create SaaS tools or, even courses under one brand umbrella. So, for example, someone might run a crypto trading server, an AI newsletter, and a prompt engineering course, all from the same seller dashboard. Now, this not only diversifies and spreads your risk up also, but also opens up cross promotion. Now, to sum it up, making money on WAP is about creating real value in digital form, packaging it clearly, automating delivery, and actively marketing it. The platform removes a lot of technical barriers for you so that you can focus on your own content branding and growth. You don't need to be a coder or a designer, just someone with insight, expertise, or useful content in a particular niche. Now, if you commit to the process, test different offers, market consistently, and treat it like a real business, WAP can absolutely become a sustainable income stream. The key is to solve a specific problem present in a clear and appealing way, and keep improving over time. With the right strategy, this isn't just another side hustle. It can be a full-fledged digital business. So that is basically how you're going to be making good amount of money on WAP. So if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.